Hello everyone, how are you doing? I'm ms.sheerin.amin, an American English teacher. Today's lesson is idioms. Let's begin. Let's remember first, what is an idiom? It's a group of words in a fixed order that has a particular meaning that is different from the meaning of each word on its own. Another meaning. You can say that an idiom is a word or phrase which means something different from its literal meaning. Our first idiom today is get your ducks in a row. Let's see what it means. Meaning. It means to be well organized or be well prepared for something that is going to happen. Examples. Too bad you didn't have your ducks in a row before you quit your job. Another example. You need to have all your ducks in a row if you want to succeed. The second idiom today is miss the boat. What does it mean? Meaning. To miss the boat means to fail to take advantage of an opportunity to do something, often by being slow to act. Another meaning. It means to miss the point of or fail to understand. Examples. He missed the boat when he applied too late to get into college. Another example. Please repeat again. I missed the boat on the explanation. Idiom number 3. Monkey business. Let's see what it means. Meaning: it means silliness, dishonest behavior, or breaking the rules. Examples: the teacher told the children to cut out the monkey business and get to work. Another example: I don't trust that lawyer. There's some monkey business going on. Idiom number 4. Hit it out of the park. Or you can say, knock it out of the park. Let's see what it means. Meaning: it means that you have achieved great success or accomplished something exceptionally well. Examples: she really hit it out of the park with her presentation. Everyone was impressed. Another example: great job on that report, Jacob. You really hit it out of the park. Idiom number 5, and the last one is call it a day. What does it mean? Meaning: if you call it a day, you decide to stop what you're doing because you're tired of it or because it's not successful. Examples: I searched for the cab for hours, but I had to call it a day when darkness fell. Another example: Shall we color day or work another hour to finish entering the data? Another example. You're making too many mistakes. If you're tired, let's call it a day. Thank you a lot for watching my video. Hope you liked it so much. Don't forget to put each idiom from what we took today in a sentence of your own in a comment below. If you're not a subscriber yet, you can subscribe right now to my channel on YouTube. For online courses, please drop an email to sheerin.amin@gmail.com, or you can send me a message to ms.sheerin.amin American English on Facebook, or ms.sheerin.amin on Instagram. See you later. Bye.